चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Republic has confronted Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. Guinea, of course, this comes a day after Republic exposed how there were multiple calls that were exchanged between Ajit Pawar and the Pune top cop. Let's listen into that confrontational sequence.
पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे। सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? दादा, सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे। सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? दादा, सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे। सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? दादा, सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे। सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? दादा, सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे।
All right, Guinea, let's also go across to Priyanka, who's joining us with more details. Priyanka, of course, very, very pointed question that was put to Ajit Pawar. This regarding not just his role, the confession that he's made, that he did have exchanged multiple calls with the Pune top cop, but also the role of Tingre at this stage. Talk to us about this angle and where exactly is Sunil Tingre? Anything you're learning from your sources?
Well, that's right, Samiksha. And, from the day one, we are looking at the lapses and the attempts that have been made to cover up. In fact, it is only now coming out to how far up, in fact, in the entire system did the attempt to cover up actually go. And it seems as though it does go till Ajit Pawar, because we are looking at the calls that had been made between the Commissioner of Police and Ajit Pawar as well. Something that had also been confirmed by the Commissioner of Police to our Editor-in-Chief as well. And we also are looking at developments as far as the investigation into this case, but also looking at the lapses that are glaringly coming to light so far as then be it the Juvenile Justice Board order that had been given, which is also now under scrutiny, then be it the hospital part of the entire investigation about the blood samples that is also now under scrutiny, that had been completely that had been completely not been followed as per the protocol, as the first sample had been thrown in the dustbin. Then be it the police part of the investigation as well, who are completely covering up the names of the passengers inside of that Porsche car, and they're not really revealing the fourth passenger who had been present there. So all of these aspects of this entire investigation and the lapses, in fact, thereafter that have come to light, help us understand that there had been not a complete free and fair investigation, at least that had been carried out by the Pune police. It seems as though there was political pressure from day one, and something that has been confirmed by Ajit Pawar himself, who has confirmed, in fact, that there were phone calls that had gone on to the Commissioner of Police. Now, what essentially had been discussed is also a point of concern, because what we are looking at least what went on in the Yarwada police station on that intervening night of 18th and 19th, we do know as of now is that Sunil Tingre had been inside of the police station. We do know that that Sunil Tingre had come out and stated that he is a servant of that family and that he has to do what they ask him to do, and that we do know that his son, in fact, had also been with the entire group of the 17-year-old and minor accused who had been, at the Cozy and Black Club, and then had been going towards the accident spot as well. So these are some of the updates, these are some of the details, in fact, and information that Republic has also accessed exclusively to understand where the lapses had come in from, to understand where the political pressure had come in from. And in fact, we also spoke to Ellen Thanavre, who had given that initial order to try to understand where essentially was there essentially any money that also exchanged hands, because that is what is coming to light as far as the lapses in the investigation go. But yes, confirmation that we are getting of the political pressure that had been there, Samiksha, from day one, and our colleague, of course, confronting Ajit Pawar on that, no answer for the same, Samiksha.